Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. In this video, we'll try to solve a problem. The problem goes like this. In the diagram, ABCD and DEFG are squares of area 16. If H is the midpoint of BC and EF, then find the total area of ABHFGD. If you want to try this problem, please pause the video and try for the solution. Let us take what is given in the problem first. That is area of ABCD and the area of DEFG both are equal to 16. What is the area of a square formula? That is side square. When side square is 16, side is equal to 4 units. Means all the sides AB, BC, CD and DA and also DE, EF, FG and GD, each side is equal to 4 units. What else is given in the problem? H is the midpoint of BC. That means this H divides BC into two equal parts. That is BH is equal to HC is equal to BC by 2. That is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 units. So this is 2 units. This HC is also 2 units. And also this H is midpoint of EF. That is EH is equal to HF is equal to EF by 2. That is 4 by 2 is equal to 2 units. So this is also 2. This is also 2. So to find the area of ABHFGD, we have to add the area of both the squares. That is ABCD and DEFG. But in counting this area, this part HCDE is counting twice. Once in the square ABCD, once in the square DEFG, as it is the part of both the squares. So how to find the required area? That is, the required area is sum of the two squares minus the area of EHCD. So this area we have to subtract once, as we are counting it twice in this area. So area of two squares we know, that is 16 plus 16, that is 32, minus area of EHCD we have to find out. So to find out this EHCD area, let us divide this into two right triangles by adding HD. Now it is divided into two right triangles, EHD and HCD. So what is the area of right triangle? That is half into base into height. Here what is the base for this? 2. That is half into 2 into 4. Plus what is the area of this triangle? Here the base is 2 and the height is 4. Therefore half into 2 into 4. So here 2 gets cancelled. 4 plus 4, that is 8. So this is equal to the area of EHCD. Now let us subtract this 8 from this 32. 32 minus 8 is 24 is the area of ABHFGD. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more problems like this. Thank you for watching.